everybody. My disability is cystic fibrosis by me, Linda Garcia. History of cystic fibrosis. First described, it was in the 1930s. It was named celiac disease and lung disease. This disability has come from a long time. Cystic fibrosis has a separate and distinct condition. Was first described by Dr. Dorothy Anderson in 1938 in New York. And this is a picture of Dr. Dorothy Anderson. Right here next to it, it's a picture of a healthy lungs, where it describes how it is from the inside. And whenever we're here, the next one, it's the lungs are affected by cystic fibrosis. Think about, are there people who have been able to live full and meaningful lives despite having a diagnosis of cystic fibrosis or not? Realizing that many people and or even famous people have lived full lives with cystic fibrosis can bring hope to those who are living with the disease and their families today. So you gotta think about if those people that have this are living. So now if you don't have it, you need to live more for those people. Complications of the disability. There is difficulty digesting fat and protein, malnutrition, vitamin deficient, inability to absorb nutrition, lung damage due to infection and inflammation, the CFRD, which is the diabetes, sinus infection. The symptoms of the disability. The cerebral coughing with thick mucus, wheezing, chest infection. It's the one that we seen in the previous slide. It proves in the chest that it's different from the healthy and the infected one. Blood obstruction, salty sweat, impotence, shortness of breath, and other respiratory problems. And here's a little clip of people who have been going through cystic fibrosis.
Advancements in CF research have led me to a better life, and there are now so many companies competing with each other to come out with all these treatments and drugs, and I take a lot of these drugs. I take cortisone, I take hypertonic signal. All these things are making our lives more quality, not just quantity, but quality. We're living in better lives, not just it's important.
The advancements that Cystic Fibrosis Foundation has made gave me a life. It gave me a life that I've been losing for 5 or 6 years. I take care of myself every day. The medicines have really helped me breathe. Like I can't imagine the hours, like, the doctors will always say, your husband's sitting at home and getting themselves
In this short video, it proves to how people who have or are going through this disability, they have proven to never give up because better things are to come in their way. These people are also thankful for the medications that has been helping them to survive. And my reference, this is my reference page. Thank you.